Hi guys, welcome back to Spodaria channel. Today in this video, I'll show you how to use green screen on TikTok. Visual effects has been the gold standard for film production since films were first shown on the silver screen. The green screen is known for its ability to transport people to another world, and now TikTok have introduced a brand new green screen effect to help give users the most creative tools available. To use the green screen effect, follow this simply instruction. But before you continue this video, I hope you like, comment, and subscribe to support this channel, and don't forget to hit the notifications bell. So without any further ado, let's get started. First step, you have to open your TikTok. And then hit the plus button to create a video. And you have to select effects here at the bottom left in the corner. And under trending section, look for the green screen icon, this one. Choose any photo from your phone library to use background and hit record. You can zoom in or zoom out. Yeah guys, that's it. Thanks for watching this video. I'm waiting for your response in the comment box below. I'll see you soon on the next one, and good luck!